1.4 Information cycle. The information cycle is as shown in Figure 2 below. Figure 2. Information cycle. The information life cycle can be outlined through the specified steps as follows. Fact/record. This is the initial stage where raw data or facts are collected. These can originate from various sources such as observations, transactions, or research. At this point, the information is unprocessed and serves as the foundation for further stages. Storage. Once the facts or records are established, they are stored in appropriate systems. This can include databases, cloud storage, or physical filing systems. Effective storage ensures that the information is organized, secure, and easily accessible when needed. Retrieval. In this stage, stored information is accessed for use. Retrieval processes involve searching through databases or records to find specific facts or data needed for decision-making or reporting. Efficient retrieval systems are crucial for quick access to relevant information. Evaluation/analysis. After retrieval, the information is evaluated and analyzed to derive insights or conclusions. This may involve statistical analysis, trend identification, or comparing data against benchmarks. The goal is to transform raw data into meaningful information that can inform decisions. New fact/record. Based on the analysis, new facts or records may emerge. This can involve updating existing records, creating new entries, or identifying trends that lead to new data collection efforts. This stage is crucial as it feeds back into the life cycle, contributing to continuous improvement and knowledge generation. By following these steps, organizations can effectively manage information, ensuring that it is utilized to its fullest potential and contributes to informed decision-making.